Food is the foundation of health. But with all the conflicting nutrition advice and misleading food labels, it can be hard to know what or who you can trust. The stakes are high. Diet causes a third of all cancer cases worldwide. The food industry is more interested in profits than your health. The processed food industry puts more than 1,400 chemical colorings, flavorings, and synthetic additives into our food. And doctors aren't getting trained in nutrition. In all of medical school, the average physician gets less than 20 hours of nutritional education. The food industry is loading our markets, our restaurants, and our waistlines with too much sugar, processed foods, and factory-farmed animal products. The modern industrialized diet isn't just bad for your health, it's also bad for our world. Most chickens are given less than 1 square foot of space, and they sit all day in their own feces. No wonder 80% of chicken meat is contaminated with E. coli. Industrialized agriculture is depleting our soil and water and fueling more climate change than cars. When you eat the right foods, you can stand up for a healthier life for you and a healthier life for all of us. It's time to put the power back into your hands, where it belongs. It's time for a food revolution. Every choice you make and every bite you take is a vote. And with that vote, you can take a stand for better health, for a better community, and for a better world. That's why my dad and colleague, 2 million copy best-selling author John Robbins, and I teamed up with dozens of health experts to create the Food Revolution Summit and to offer it to you completely for free. In this Food Revolution Summit, you'll find out what's really going on behind the scenes in our food system and medical industries. And more importantly, you'll leave feeling inspired with credible, actionable information you can use to confidently take control of your health. And I'll see you in the summit.